This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear brake pads renewal. Chock the front wheels. Remove the wheel centre trims. Slacken the wheel bolts. Raise the vehicle using a jack. Support it on axle stands. Lower the vehicle onto the axle stands and remove the jack. Undo the wheel bolts and remove the wheel from the vehicle. Counter holding the lower guide pin bolt, remove the bolt. Before doing the same with the upper guide pin bolt. Lift the caliper away from the brake pads and tie it to the suspension strut using a piece of strong wire. Do not allow the caliper to hang unsupported on the flexible brake hose. Remove the outer and inner brake pads. Recover the lower and upper shims and discard them because you'll need to fit new shims. Position a tray and clean the caliper and the caliper bracket with brake cleaner and a wire brush. You'll need to retract the piston before you can fit the new brake pads. Start by clamping the flexible brake hose. Now fit a hose to the bleed nipple and put the other end into a bottle. Open the nipple with a spanner, and as you wind back the piston, excess brake fluid will run into the bottle. Close the screw just before the piston is pushed fully back to ensure no air enters the system. Once the piston is retracted into the bore, remove the tools and suspend the caliper once again. Check that the guide pins slide freely and clean and lubricate them if required. Fit the new lower and upper shims to the caliper bracket. Apply a little brake grease to the mounting points, but don't use a copper-based grease. Now fit the new inner and outer brake pads. Removing the caliper from the supporting wire, refit it and then fit the new caliper guide bolts. Tighten the upper and lower guide pin bolts. Depress the brake pedal repeatedly until the pads are pressed into firm contact with the brake disc and normal, non-assisted pedal pressure is restored. Check the clearance of the handbrake lever on the caliper. If it needs to be adjusted, you'll have to remove the rear compartment of the centre console. Open it, open the cup holder and remove this screw. Now release and remove the rear compartment using a flat-bladed screwdriver to expose the handbrake cable. Adjust the cable accordingly and check the clearance of the handbrake lever on the caliper before reassembling the rear console compartment. Check and top up the brake fluid as necessary.